Sabi nating, Daniel Padilla, nasa iyo na ang lahat. Ako po si Francis Sanchez. Ako yung industrial partner na put up Cafe V. Kaya napili namin yung Cafe V. In French, VIE means life. You pronounce it as vie. So literally, Cafe V would translate to coffee of life. So parang pag nagpunta ka sa cafe na to, you will enjoy life to the fullest. What better way of enjoying life than having a cup of coffee which will energize your day.
Alright, so yun guys, the table is ready. This is a Cafe V. Actually, not just coffee ang gusto nilang maging makilala sila.
So, on our table, syempre, papakilala natin dyan.
Sige
so,
bro,
meron tayo
sige
dito
bro,
yung kanilang signature, nachos overload. Meron tayo dito yung chicken pesto and yung kanilang seafood marinara.
Wow!
For our appetizer, so meron tayo dito mga flavored chickens,
Yes.
yung beef quesadilla, and syempre for our main, yung kanilang pork barbecue ribs.
Yeah. So parating pa lang yung mga coffees natin. So while the food is hot, no?
Yes.
Ayan, so umpisahan na natin, bro.
Ako syempre,
Cheers.
uumpisan ko sa mga appetizer.
Ako rin, I wanna try this one.
Beef quesadilla.
Oh, wow. Para sa akin, very Mexican.
Actually,
No? No, enough. Okay, so another appetizer. These are their clubhouse.
yes.
So I wanna try this one.
Ako naman yung kanilang nachos since isa to sa mga signature nila.
Exactly, exactly. So this, mga clubhouse nila, meron din tayong nachos dito. Nga lang, yung feeling na or yung toppings natin is just pure cheese. How about yan, bro?
Ito naman, meron siya, syempre, yung nachos, meron siya mga cheese, beef, chilies, at the same time, salsa dip nila.
Go here by yourself, accompanied by someone, or with the group. Yes, pwede yan.
Of course, Louie, gusto namin maging comfortable sila. If you would look at our cafe, kahit anong angle, Instagrammable. Hinahanap nila sa isang place yung cozy, picture dito, picture doon, and then mapopost sa social media, which is a nice thing, di ba?
Okay, next I wanna try is yung kanilang chicken pesto. In fairness, yung mga pasta natin is actually shareable
Yes.
sa serving, no?
For that serving, sa chicken pesto nila is
Yes.
275 pesos lang. For their seafood marinara naman, 285 pesos. Wow.
As a barista, mag-4 years na yung pagiging barista. Bestseller natin dito, meron tayong refreshments. Sa refreshments, yung bestseller natin is yung blueberry soda. And also sa hot naman, we have dirty horchata. And then we also have ubi cookie latte. Yung ubi cookie latte, wala siyang coffee. Mga own recipe naman.
Own recipe. Wow, right on time. So these are our drinks. Caramel latte, that's gonna be mine.
Peach strawberry.
Yan.
Yes. Ito naman is blueberry.
Blueberry,
Ube queso.
Wow.
Dirty horchata.
Ooh,
And ito naman, salted peanut bean.
honestly guys, this is the first time I'm gonna be encountering peanut bean.
Yes.
Ang store hours namin, we open at 10 in the morning up until 12 midnight. Located kami along MacArthur Highway, part siya ng San Isidro, in front of Barangay Main Peace.
So they have a lot more dun sa menu nila, so you gotta check them out guys. Yun, so if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. We hope to see you in the next one.
Thank you for watching Urban Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye guys.
Munta ko po kaning Cafe V para i-experience siya itang sasabihan ning spread the word, spread the good vibes, let people know the Cafe V experience.